Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, could Earth ever have rings like Saturn? Saturn's iconic rings are one of the most mesmerizing features in our solar system. But can Earth have them too? Well, let's take a deep dive into the science of rings and explore whether it's even possible for our planet to get one. To understand if Earth could have rings, we first need to know what makes Saturn's rings so unique. Saturn's rings are made up of countless ice and rock particles, ranging in size from tiny dust grains to massive boulders. These rings orbit around Saturn within a specific region called the Roche limit, an area where the planet's gravity is strong enough to prevent objects from clumping together and forming moons. But how did Saturn's rings form in the first place? Some scientists believe they're the remains of a shattered moon or debris from comets that were torn apart by Saturn's gravity. Now, let's consider Earth. Earth doesn't have any visible rings like Saturn, but that doesn't mean it's entirely impossible. In theory, Earth could have rings under the right conditions. However, Earth's smaller size and weaker gravity compared to Saturn would make it much harder to form or sustain a ring system. For example, for a ring to form around Earth, there would need to be a large amount of debris in space, either from a destroyed moon or a captured asteroid, that could be torn apart by our planet's gravitational pull. To form rings, debris would need to stay within the Roche limit, the region close enough to Earth where gravity can't allow objects to come together into a larger body. The Roche limit for Earth is much closer to the planet than Saturn's, meaning any debris would need to orbit at a very specific distance. If the debris is too far, it would just drift away into space, and if it's too close, Earth's gravity would pull it toward the surface, possibly causing a dangerous impact. Even if the conditions for ring formation were met, Earth's rings would be short-lived compared to Saturn's. Over time, any ring material would either fall into Earth's atmosphere or drift away due to gravitational interactions with the Moon or other bodies in the solar system. A ring around Earth would likely be transient, lasting only a few million years at most. While the idea of Earth having rings is fascinating, the reality is that it's highly unlikely. The conditions needed to form and maintain rings just don't align with Earth's characteristics. However, the fact that other planets, like Saturn, have such stunning and lasting rings shows the incredible diversity of our solar system. For now, we'll have to settle for the rings of Saturn and continue to dream about what it would be like to see Earth with its own ring system. What do you think? Could Earth ever get rings? Or is it just a dream? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing space topics. Until next time, keep looking up.